Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to show you how to take a photo from Google Drive, and this is on my computer, so it's a little different on a phone. But on the computer, this is how. So I would expect you to get a laptop to do it like I'm showing you here. All right, here we go. So I'm on Google Drive. You can see at the top left here, it says Google Drive. I have photos saved on Google Drive, just like you have. I'm going to go to really good selfie, and then this one's titled bad selfie. It's not a bad selfie. They're amazing selfies. This is 2 years ago. Okay, maybe they are bad selfies. I don't want to use a picture of myself. I want to use a picture of my baby because I love my baby. Here is her. She's at the climbing gym, the one in Burbank. Vertigo Climbing Gym in Burbank. Go check it out. To get a picture link of a photo, you're going to click on it. And eventually, you're going to use that link on this. This is a seating chart. This seating chart is available in Google Classroom. So I'm just going to click on period 1. And you can see right here, selfie link and seating chart activity. It's on Google Classroom already. And this is a seating chart for 2019 to 20. That's the current year we're doing this. All right, so you're going to click here. You click on it, it looks like this. Then you're going to find your name, and you're going to place your link where your name is. Let me show you how it's done. So we know we want to put a link here, but we need a link. How do we get a link? Well, we go back to our Google Drive, and now on the computer, I'm going to right-click. I right-click it, and you get these options. Now we want a link. So you click Get Shareable Link. It says link sharing is on. You can turn it off. If it is off on your phone or computer, you got to turn it on. So Get Shareable Link. You can see it's on. And then you click, you have to touch the URL. That's the address, the URL. If it looks gray like this, you've copied it. So the link is copied. All right. However, if you're on a phone, if you're on not my computer, but if you're on your laptop, if you're on the laptop and you find the file you want, you have to double tap the touchpad on the laptop. So the Chromebooks we have, you have to use 2 fingers and you have to double tap 2 fingers at the same time for the shareable link to pop up. If you don't, if you're on a computer and you find your photo and you don't use 2 fingers, you'll never see this menu pop up. So a right click on a Chromebook is you use 2 fingers and press the touchpad, and then you can see the Get Shareable Link, okay? Anyways, so 2-finger click on the touchpad, Get Shareable Link. Now I already have the link copied, and then this is how you do it. You're going to go back to the seating chart. I have my name right here, and you find this icon right here. This is the Insert Link icon. Now, I highlighted my name already. Let me show you again. Wherever you're going to put your link, so when you find your name, you have to highlight your name. So click and drag. So I click and then I drag and highlight my name. On your phone, it'll be a little different. On a laptop, it may be different on the touchpad. I'll show you how to do it if you're struggling. But you click and drag. You highlight your name. And then you go up to here where it says Insert Link. You click, and notice it says the text is Joshua. The link, I'm going to paste. So I right-click on my mouse, or if you're on a laptop or a Chromebook, you are going to double tap so you can paste. Or you hit Control V. Control V is paste as well. Hit Apply. My name is now a link. I can click on it, touch this, and whenever I want to see my baby's face, I just click on my name because it's a link now. My name is the only name that is a hyperlink or a link now. I click on my name, I see my photo. I'm going to do another student now. Let's pretend, let's do this. Let's say it's, there's another student, Joshua. All right. Now Joshua's at this back table. This is table number 5. Now Joshua needs to make his name a link. So you highlight it. And let's see. I'm not going to highlight it yet. I still got to get the picture, huh? So let's go. Here we go. This is a good one, right? I'm not crazy. You click it. You click on your photo. You get shareable link. Now, the link sharing is on. And I click here. It says anyone with the link can view. I click here. It's gray, so it's copied. And then I go back to the seating chart. I highlight. So I highlighted my name first, and then I go to the link. It shows what I highlighted, Joshua, and then I click paste. And then I hit apply. And now every time I click on my name there, at table 5, you can see my selfie. That's scary. All right, so when you're done with this assignment, everyone's names will be turned into a link where if I click on your name, I can see a selfie of you. It's an important skill to make a link. I wanted you to make a link of your selfie because I want to get to know you. But in the future, this doesn't matter. What does matter is that you can put a link on a spreadsheet. That's what's most important in our class. You will go to a spreadsheet like this one. It's called Talk Move Recordings. And you will paste. This is period 1. And you can see, look at these links. These are links to real audio recordings. This one is nothing fancy. It's just a URL. But these links have a name. They gave the link a name. And if I clicked here, I can listen to the recording. It's a link of their audio. In the future, you will copy and paste links of your saved audio onto this spreadsheet. I'm going to show you how to do it really quick, all right? So wherever you need to save and paste a link of your audio, let's pretend we were talking about drugs. So here's the drugs talk. Let's pretend Team 2, this is Team 2, let's pretend Team 2 was going to paste a talk about drugs right here in this box for their team. I'm going to show you how to do it really quickly. So focus and pay attention. Now, what I want us to do, here we go. So what we're going to do is go to Google Drive and find something to get a link for. Now, this image right here, now it's on my computer. I'm going to right-click using my mouse on the image, and I can get a shareable link. Link sharing is turned on. I click the URL. It's gray. It's highlighted. That means it's copied. So now I just have to paste the link. Just got to get back there. Here we go. So I got to paste the link. And it says insert link. I can have it say whatever I want. Old team chats about drugs. And then I just paste the link in there. You could also hit Control-V to paste. Hit apply. That link is there now. Anyone who clicks on that box has a link, and they can watch the video of students talking about drugs. Now, one of the problems that often happens is students don't learn to make the links say what they want. Right now you can see that this group didn't know how to do that. Team 4 put their link here, and it works. It's a URL, it's the right address, but they never learned how to make it say, they didn't learn how to make the link say what they want. Also, if I click here, it may not take me anywhere. It may not. It's hard to tell if it's a hyperlink. So if I already copied, so I went to my video, I copied the link. Look what happens when you just paste it, it's going to look like this. Now this link works. If I click here, it will take me, but I want it to say what I want it to say. All it is right now is a URL. So how can I make this URL, all this weird language, say something, anything? Well, you click on it, and you can go and click right here. It says insert link. And right now it says the text is the actual address, you can take it and delete it, and you can write in here anything you want. Write anything you want in the text box, and now it's gonna show you now anything you want. Write anything you want. It'll say whatever you want. So if you insert a link, sorry, here we go. Let me just paste it again. So we have this link, but it's nothing fancy. We want it to say what we want it to say. You can go up to the icon that says insert link, and where it says text here, delete that and make it say whatever you want. You could say drug talk. And now it says what I want. On your phone, this part is very easy on a computer. It's very easy to click a box, go to insert link here, and it's very easy to say Josh's awesome drug talk link. It's very easy to type that in and then paste the URL that I copied from Drive. It's very easy to do that. On your phone, it is very hard to make a link say what you want. So if you like using your phone, and I know you're going to, this is my advice to you. You can paste the link. On your phone, it's very easy to paste a link like this onto Google Sheets. And then I would have you or a teammate then open up a laptop, and then on the laptop, go to the TalkMove spreadsheet, and wherever it is, you'll find it. Go to the spreadsheet where you pasted it from your phone. And then you click here, and you can edit link on the laptop, right? To say whatever you want it to say. Or you can just click here in the laptop, insert link like we've talked about, and say Team 3 is awesome. Apply. Again, on your phone, it's really easy to paste the URL, but it's very difficult on your phone to make it say what you want. So that's when you may have to use a laptop to do the second part, which is turn your link into a statement like Team 3 is awesome.